So for our red sauce, take 4 boiled tomatoes and make a puree out of it. Take some salt, pasta mix, chili oregano sauce and some tomato ketchup. Now for our white sauce, we'll need 3.5 cup of milk, half cup of maida, cream which is optional, some salt, 120 grams of ghee and some herbs. Take 5 cups of pasta for serving 4 people, some capsicum and some garlic. Firstly, we'll start by our red sauce. Add some oil to the pan and start adding all the ingredients one by one. So again, cover the pan with the lid and let it sit for some time until it gets a good consistency. Our white sauce is all ready. Now keep it aside and let's start with sorting our veggies. Now heat the pan and add some oil to it. As soon as the oil gets hot, add all of your garlic to it to get its flavor. Now take all of your veggies. I have taken capsicum here. Now pour your red sauce to it and start mixing. Add of your white sauce to it. Your pink sauce is now all ready. Add all of your pasta to it and mix well. Cover your pasta and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Our red sauce pasta is now ready to serve.